Okay, we're going to look at the graph of straight line. Describe the graph of function x plus 4 is equal to y. We want to know if the graph, is it the graph of square? Is it a diagonal line? Is it a horizontal line? Is it a vertical line? To find out what it is, we need to set up a chart like this. Here we have x and here we have y. We're going to let x be equal to any number we want. We have Parisa online. Parisa, can you type the easiest number you can think of that I can try for Parisa says 1. How about 0? Let's try 0. If x is equal to 0, Parisa, can you tell me what this y would be? Just type the answer for me. If x is equal to 0, then I have 0 plus 4. Very good. It's 4. So that would be 4. Okay. So if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. Now let's pick another the number that Parisa asked earlier. If x is equal to 1, Parisa, can you tell me if x is equal to 1, what is y? Remember, we're going to put that right in here. We're going to leave let x equal to 1 and then add that to 4. You put 4. No, you change your answer to 5. Good job. So if x equal to 1, y is equal to 5. Very good. Let's pick one more. Can you tell me if x equal to 2, what is y, Parisa? Remember, we're going to substitute for each x 2 and then add that to 4, and that would be 6. Very good. Good answer. So let's see how can we graph these points. So this is how you show a point. In the parentheses, you put 0, comma 4. That's one way to show a point. And this would be 1 and 5. We do really only need 2 points to graph this. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line here. This would be my y-axis, and this would be my x-axis in this case. So this is y, and this is x. Okay, now I want to see if we can follow this, Parisa. If x is equal to 0, so on the x-axis, this point here would be 0. Then this point to the right would be 1. And this next one after that would be 2, and so on. And if you go to the left, the numbers get into negative number. Later we're going to learn negative number. Negative 1, negative 2, and so on. But if you go up, the numbers increases like 1, 2. What would be the next number after this, Parisa? If you go in order, what would be the next number after that? What point would this be? You can just type the answer. If this is 1, okay, let me show you. Very good, 3. So this is 1, 2. So this point would be 3. Very good. Okay, if I go down, then similarly this would be minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and so on. So let's locate the first point right here. 0 and 4. It means on the x-axis we're not going to move. However, on the y-axis we're going to move 4 units up. So we're going to be right here. This would be the point 0 and 4. And if I want to locate the second point, this time I'm going to move 1 unit to the right on the x-axis. And how many units I have to move to up, Parisa, do you think? Looking at the second point. Okay, just type the answers. 1 and 5. So 1 would be, x is 1, it's right here. And then it says y is 5. So how many points we have to move up? 5. Very good. So if I move up 5 units, I need to extend this line. Okay, so this would be 5. So 1 and 5 would be right there, somewhere around here. And we have it. If I connect these 2 points together, I don't really need the third point. If I connect these 2 points together, that would be a graph of that line. This would be the graph of the line that we're talking about. So which graph is that, Parisa? Is it square? Put yes or no. Just type yes or no for me. No, that's right. Is it a diagonal line? Yes, it is a diagonal, and it's not the horizontal or vertical line. So every time in your equation, you can remember that when both x and y are present, when you have x and y and you have some constant like this, that would be a graph of straight line which are diagonal. For the line being horizontal or vertical, either x or y would be missing. Okay, so let me show you that also. I'm going to give you an example where the line is horizontal or diagonal. If I have y is equal to 2, okay, when y is equal to 2, what is missing? Comparing this to this one, Parisa, see this one have x and y, but this one only have y. So what's missing here? There's one variable is missing. Can you just type your answer? Tell me what's missing here. Very good, x is missing. So when x is missing, it means this is really is y is equal to 2 plus 0x. That's why x is missing. So in order to graph this, we need a couple of points again. So pay very good attention, Parisa. If x is equal to 0, can you tell me what y is? If x is equal to 0, what is y? Y is equal to what? 2. Excellent. Okay. How about if x is equal to 1? Now pay good attention before you answer the question. You did it too fast. If x is equal to 1, what is y? You quickly said 3. You have to be careful with that. If x is equal to 1, what is 1 times 0? Anything times 0 is equal to 0, and then 0 plus 2 is equal to what? 2. Excellent. So regardless of what we substitute for x, I can have x equal to 100, y would be equal to 2 always, and to graph this, we can locate those 2 points and graph them this way. This is y, this is x. So if x is equal to 0, on the x-axis we're not going to move anywhere. On the y-axis we're going to move 2 units up. So this point would be the point 0 and 2. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, would be, the line would be right next to each other. You see how the lines lie right next to each other? So if I connect these 2 points together, and that would be the graph of that line. So what kind of line is that, Parisa? This would be, what kind of line is that? Would it be square, diagonal, horizontal, vertical? Which one would that be? Okay, this line here. That would be y is equal to 2. What kind of line is that? Horizontal, very good. So when we're looking at the horizontal line in the equation, looks like x is missing. Okay, if x is missing, you can remember that is a horizontal line. So if I have another line down here, passing through point, let's say -1, the equation of that would be y is equal to -1. That would be another horizontal line. The last thing I want to show you is vertical line. If I have like x is equal to 2. But x is equal to 2, can you tell me what's missing this time, Parisa? Something is missing now. What's missing? Y is missing. Good job. So x is equal to 2 plus 0y. So if I set up a chart again, now pay attention here. I want you to answer these questions again. If y is equal to 0, what is x, Parisa? If y is equal to 0, it's right here. If y is equal to 0, what is x? X is equal to 2. Excellent. Now, if y is equal to 1, pay good attention here so you don't make the same mistake like the last time. If y is equal to 1, can you tell me what is x would be? Remember its coefficient is 0. So it doesn't matter what you put here, this whole thing would be 0, right? 2, excellent. So now you got it. So if I graph this time the points would be, this is y-axis, this is x-axis. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0, would be this point here. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. The points would be right on top of each other like that. So that would represent a vertical lines like that. So that would be x is equal to 2. This would be x is equal to 0. So if I have another line here, in the other part, if this was minus 2, that would be x is equal to minus 2. So in your case, the one that you had, if you look at this, if both x and y are present there, in this case we have x plus 4 is equal to y, then you expect to get a line like diagonal like this, like that. And if x is missing, you expect to get a horizontal line, and if y is missing, you expect to get a vertical line. Okay, I hope that helped. We'll see you next time.